welcome back here. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you my September favorites. You will see a lot of ghar ka saman, skincare, hair care, and a lot of stuff. So let's get started. So the best part about this month was I shifted to a new studio and we went to IKEA and we shopped a lot of stuff. Actually all of that is my favorite, but then maybe later in some video I can show you more products. But two things which are my absolutely favorite are these fake flowers and plants and planters, and they look really pretty. आप कहीं पे भी इसको रख दोगे ना, पूरा aesthetic change हो जाएगा. They look really nice and they look very real. I don't believe in putting the real ones because उनको manage करना काफ़ी difficult हो जाता है, especially because this is a studio. I don't stay here, so हम बार कौन पानी देगा. In some days if I'm not coming, then how will you manage and stuff like that. And I got another one. This one also looks very pretty. Even though winters आने वाला है, but इनको देख के काफ़ी summer वाला feel आ रहा है. And then I got these planters, these vases. They also look very nice. This one is in rose gold color. You also get in gold and silver, but I am in love with rose gold, so I really like this. And then I got this one, which is like very transparent and very pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I really liked it. That's why I got it. And these were my absolute favorite from IKEA. Now let's get started with our products. So there was a sale where Bath and Body Works were giving 4 hand washes for 2,000 rupees, and I got 4 of them. But this one, the black cherry one, is my absolute favorite, and also the kitchen lemon one is really nice. मेरे घर पर है, but this one is I'm using at my office. And oh my god, this smells really nice, and this moisturizes your hands really well. Pehle no, because of the COVID we were only using Dettol at home, but then I was like, in my studio I need something nice, so I opted for a foam one, and these are really good. They are worth the hype. Then I got myself this body soap from Mario, and this one is the second bottle because I think August end में इसको यूज़ करना शुरू किया था. So I got another bottle for myself for office, and this one is really nice. Even if you have like those back acne and all ना, तो उसके लिए भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Very mild but also really nice because it's got AHA and amazing, very good. Then I also bought a lot of soaps this time. These nice fragrance ones. So this one smells like more citrus. I'm not that great at spelling, explaining the fragrance. But yes, I got very cute ones. So मैंने आपके लिए नया निकाला है because वो वाला doesn't look nice right now, so you should see a new one, and they are really nice. They clean really well. I'm actually too dependent upon the body washes, but my parents only uses soap, so I bought a ton of them for them, and then I also started using them, and I absolutely love them. They're really good, and काफी time तक चलता है. मुझे लगता था कि soap जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है, but no, they for a very long time. I have this Nivea deodorant. This one is the aloe one. I really like this one. This smells so good, very fresh, and these are the only deos I can trust, and they don't darken your eyebrows or anything, but these are absolutely amazing and also very affordable. But the best part is the moment you put it, you feel really fresh. So I use the same roll-on and the deodorant, and really love it. Now next up I have this Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Derma Shade SPF. I absolutely love this SPF. मतलब मैं बहुत टाइम से यही वाला यूज़ कर रही हूँ. This got a spray thing, तो बॉडी पे लगाना भी बहुत easy हो जाता है. Even on your face, also doesn't give you any white cast. So I really like it. This got SPF 30, which is just perfect अभी के लिए because इतनी भी धूप नहीं है. And then I have 2 more products. This is the Clinique eye serum. So especially अभी इस time पर because a lot of shifting was happening, I was not drinking enough water. तो मेरी आँखें बहुत ज़्यादा puffy हो रही थी, and then I bought this Clinique one, and I use it day time पर जैसे मैं उठती हूँ before my makeup also applied. तो makes my under eyes very moisturized and puffiness नहीं रहता है. This is really good. This got like this pretty roll on, तो ना काफ़ी ठंडा भी लगता है. So sometimes I just keep it in my fridge and then apply it. It feels really good and it's something that you just woke up वाला feeling आ जाता है. Then next up I have my Mario drying lotion. I love this. You're not supposed to shake it, but अभी बड़े shake हो गया. But you know ऐसा होता है कि pink वाला जो part होता है वो पूरा नीचे आ जाता है. Then you have the transparent part ऊपर, and then you can put a earbud, और जहाँ पे भी आपको acne you can just put it. Because of the shifting, I was getting a lot of acne because you know dust की वजह से and stuff like that. So I started using this again because मुझे बहुत पेनफुल वाले एक्ने आए थे and this is my best friend because इससे काफ़ी जल्दी ड्राई हो गए. It takes like 4 to 5 days and it's worth the money. It's a little on the expensive side but it's really good. Then I have 2 more products. You guys know I am into face rollers, washer and whatnot. This time I tried a 3D roller. So basically there was some offer if you buy like 2 or 3 shells product and then you're gonna get this one absolutely free. So I got this one and I was like normally ही होगा क्या ही अलग होगा, but this is really good. It feels like जैसे आपकी finger से ऐसे कुछ you know massage वाली जो feel आता है ना, exactly वो feel आ रहा था. And this is really nice. Go and check out if you still get this, you know, get this offer and you get this free. नहीं तो आपको वैसे भी ये मिल जाएगा and this is not that expensive जितना rose quartz होता है, so you can definitely try this out. One thing I invested in is because of my busy schedule, I was not able to go to parlors and get my upper lips or my eyebrows done. So I got the brown trimmer, which is so good. This one is specially for your face and nothing else. And you know, आप इसे on करो तो it start vibrating and then you have to use it in a circular motion. Oh my god, this is amazing, like very good. बिल्कुल भी पेनफुल नहीं है, बहुत easily निकल जाता है. Even though it's a trimmer, वो एकदम you know base से takes out your hair, so it doesn't feel like you still have that trimmer वाला feeling कि छोटे-छोटे बाल दिख रहे हैं. Nothing, really nice, and I feel this is one product you should definitely invest in. And कभी-कभी इसमें ऐसे sale भी चल रहा होता है, so you can check out. I got this at I think 20% off and I was really happy about it. तो काफ़ी अच्छा है ये. Now I have some hair products. So the first one is the Thermal Defense Heat Protector. These days I'm using too much of heat on my hair because बारिश है, बाल नहीं सूखते, so I have to blow dry my hair and then I have to straighten them and stuff like that. So I got a new one and I absolutely love this. थोड़ा सा use करना होता है. Doesn't make your hair oily at all and really nice. You know, it smells really good. The best part about hairsprays is they smell really good. Then इसको तो आना ही था हमारे ड्राई शैम्पू बिकॉज बारिश है. आई एम लिटरली लिविंग ऑन दिस. मतलब जिस दिन मैं हेयर वॉश कर रही हूँ उस दिन भी मेरे बाल जब फ्लैट लग रहे हैं ना, आई एम ओनली अप्लाइंग दिस एंड ट्रस्ट मी, absolutely love it. I already have 2 new bottles of this because I love this so much. This one is the Divine Dark and you can definitely invest in this one. Now last 2 products. The first one is the Alan Truman you know, your detangler brush. I used to use a detangler brush. I don't remember which brand was that, but that was very costly, like 2000 rupees. And then I saw this one which was 300 rupees. So और जो मैं लेती हूँ normally वो out of stock था. So I was like ठीक है यार, you know I really need one. Let me just invest in this. Maybe it's good. Let's see. You know, just see for 300 में कितना amazing होगा. But this one is really good. I realized कि not every expensive thing is amazing. Sometimes the affordable ones can be also very amazing. And this works really well. बहुत अच्छा है. इसके bristles भी काफ़ी soft हैं and detangler brush are my most favorite. I've stopped using normal combs. I only use detangler brush. Also my straightener was getting old, so I wanted a new one. So I got this really nice pink color one. This again from Alan Truman, and this is so nice. The best part about their straightener is because I've been using their straighteners for a very long time. I have like 2-3 straighteners. उसमें से ये वाला, especially my you know younger sister, because she got curly hair and she needs something जो स्ट्रेट रखी बहुत टाइम तक, एंड वी हैव रियलाइज्ड ओनली एंगल ट्रिमिंग वर्क्स फॉर हर. सो इवन इफ यू हैव curly hair, if you're looking for like nice straight hair they don't make your hair look like poker straight, but very natural straight, then you should definitely go, and they stay for a very very long time also. That's why I got myself this one and I love how it looks, very very pretty. So yes. So these were my September favorites. I hope you guys liked it. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.